eluna.com is your address for kosher restaurants, discount coupons, vouchers, gift certificates, and more. When you are out and about and you need to find a kosher restaurant, use the eLuna app. Download the app free of charge from the Play Store or the App Store and carry all the eLuna restaurant information with you wherever you go. Here's how you get coupons on the eLuna app. 1. The app needs to know where to send the coupon that you are about to purchase, so first log into the app. 2. Find the restaurant where you plan to go. 3. At the bottom of the app screen and tap the word Coupons. 4. A pop-up will confirm that you agree to pay 3 shekels for the 10% coupon. Tap this pop-up. 5. Choose to pay with either PayPal or with your credit card. 6. Type your card number and expiration date. 7. Your coupon is in your My Collection bin.